Hello, fellow Ambazonians, fellow good citizens of Ambazonia. I want to salute all now for welcome all now once more for this platform, the No Koni Talk Show production. We never yet cleansing our new name. We'll wait that one for our new TV channel will be in the making. And very good news for all our viewers back in Ground Zero. Say we'll finally put in place a TV channel. The team will be made up of a lot of neutral. That means when I say neutral, that means not bipartisan. Ambazonians, great donors all over the world where they don't come together, and our communication team. I want to acknowledge our communication boss, Sir Frank, where they for United States, for Washington, D.C., for the wonderful job where they do, and also for acknowledge our PR guy where they for American and medical doctor, but he do a lot for sacrifice his time for make sure me our communication it be superb, and for all the people that will be anonymous, the great advisors, I want to salute you. Ladies and gentlemen, as our tradition for this show would always start with the music for welcome all man, for take that time for me for greet una one by one, at least for feel una, so that may be an interactive show, and we do our show them during this week with fully in our mind say they will be broadcast for TV. So now time for me for salute all my very good comrade, then we will now become a family, the big Ambazonian family here for diaspora. Make I take this time for salute all now one by one, and there is nobody more honorable than Patch here. I see say Patch here for house. I see say Martin Monono. No vex around corner Patch here. So all now be highly welcome. This music now from Placette, a boy from Ground Zero. I just love this guy. So talented. I saw him on YouTube and I want to promote him. I've never communicated with him. I need to give this guy some money for using his videos. So everybody welcome. I want to salute Ruby, Angelo, welcome. Florence Waking, welcome. Pache, welcome. And I salute all man for South Africa. I salute you all.
Hold your fire and hear them cry. We are the victims and we die because of the decisions you make. Hold your fire now and hear them crying. You've got to hold your fire.
Good news are coming. Just when I'm online.
Too much to bear.
Our supreme commander and our leader for Ground Zero on the ground, they just sent me some very powerful videos. Things the way that I'm delivered. So we'll get to that one later on. But I want to welcome all man for house. I will take time to arrange this video clip, or everything is so messy. But I'm glad we understand each other.
Is it the army that you've got?
Because that work is plenty, and the notice I need assistance, like 2 assistants. Biko, can you be welcome? I think Bibelaria, welcome Asongwe, welcome Oman as people that we can watch later on. Or welcome Atalak, I salute all our general. The Koko Meme, I salute the youth, them particularly for the great state of Indiana. The Ambazonia Defense Forces in camp for the full swing. Our camo is for the they go through difficulties, things that they take shape. They will bounce back. We don't hear when I cry for Dian and Meme in particular. General they go and they work. They recruit. So every youth for these 2 state them when I contact me for system.
Shot by security forces. Crackdown intent.
Magir Wata. Isaac. Israel, can I get a glass of water, please? So get a lot for presenter today, Puna. We work very hard. Ground Zero, putting things together for maintain our formation and for put La Republic on the run.
Because of the conditions we're facing. Where we live today, we are the victims and we die because of the decisions you make from above. Hold your fire now and hear them crying. You've got to hold your fire now, for the pain is too much to bear.
Oh man, be welcome.
Hold your fire now and hear them crying. You've got to hold your the fire now, for the pain is too much to bear. Our youths are perishing every day. You read in the papers, you will see.
Ambazonia must exit. Welcome. Oman, welcome. And FBI, welcome. Oman to our place on a day. I want to salute our people there for inside Boyo, the great state of Boyo. For Kundong, I want to salute the one there for inside Ginicom, for Boom, and for all those areas there for the, I salute all. I want to salute our people there for Mezam. I want to salute our people there for Dunga, Mandu. Our great people there for Bui, General Hassan, La Vista, General Kapo, General Ebube, King of the Forest. No mercy. I want to salute them all. I want to salute our good friend who then just get a wonderful discussion. Our commander for Teke, he will likely take over General Dignum and the normal make a decision. But we will get a new commander for inside Teke. We will come and not give their name now. We will wait for the general minister to do their thing first. I want to salute all our general. I want to salute our pastors and all them. I want to salute I want to salute my own personal person, Commander Talk and Do. I want to salute all for inside Mezam, for the president of Mezam, for inside Womb Capital, Womb Center. I want to salute all man Zaza at Tui salute, and all man at Tuna salute. And they will get a lot of presenter today. As I know, we will transform these platforms so we might see a brand new Kaputa here without so much ammunition, but straight to the point because we get an office now to do our thing there very, very straight. JC Brown, welcome. Sano Plaza, welcome. Atong Elvis Manje, welcome. And I want to salute our comrade, we na the artist Paris, they call her Willie de Paris, for a wonderful album. We don't put them and listen to that album. He give a shout out for the ADF. He give a shout out to Mama Wali on the move. That was amazing. That was amazing. That was just amazing. So I want to salute all the powerful women that we did for our defense forces, for ground as well for abroad. I want to salute woman of God and for salute Mange, you been a woman. For the wonderful job we do together for inside Mezam and for our capital city for Bamenda. I want to throw a salute for all man. I want to salute my colleague and my able spokesman, Mr. Tapang Aibo. Thank you, my personal person. And the Sichinedu Christian today for the one salute na Jerome Sama Oman Day, Oman place day. Today na number 13 day for the month for October 2020. I'd want welcome on for this platform. The time now we go be for ground zero. It will be around 11 o'clock, almost same time for Europe. People that go to go for work. Today for inside Hong Kong, we'll get typhoon number 8. That means say na a strong wind way, na that kind wind way to carry people them. So there we are. We will go straight for our presentation for today. It be full of very, very critical information. It be full of very, very serious warnings them for particular players for ground zero where all man it get for be very mindful of. He also take the time for release and information about a fund, a chief for Pining, who will then give out warning and will then go ahead for arrest this fund in a joint operation between our Ambazonia Defense Forces and some peripheral forces and our sister forces. Then for they will be then put it inside our custody for close to a month and will then decide to release the fund into Bamenda. The fund it then go back, it go join the family. So now very good news. I could give you a report about that incident and which way happen, which way transpire, and a lot more. And today, our main issue we will go present for na the big speech where General Efang, our leader on the ground, General Efang, our supreme commander of the Ambazonia Defense Forces on the ground, he then released a very powerful message for Ambazonia and the international community. We will break that message down and which way it go mean on the ground. The defense chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, Benedict Kwa, also then released a statement and an order for all of our forces and all of our sister forces where it will be implemented to the letter, and it be very important. Maybe we'll tell our people them exactly which way they do them, which our plan them be, how our roadmap it go and progress for our revolution, so that make all man it be in one mob. I want to thank the people there for Bamenda in particular for standing strong despite the military operation and military occupation of Bamenda. They observe the Independence Day goes down on Monday, and across our national territory, we need to congratulate them and to stand them. And for talk for our people, then say we'll be on top of things, even though we don't suspend fighting for inside Bamenda all this while. Now, if we been have already take our time to understand the dynamics, will be discovered and say La Republic, if we don't get some carry out some action the way it will take us by surprise, and if we their fight back against which will be operation for 1st of September, it will be a cause for we for stop fighting, and we will see also the action, the irresponsible action of the pigs. We did not expect anything less. It just make things worse. We decided to pause fighting in Bamenda. Our things are getting ready. I will give you guys a report, and from any time from next week, we are going to start back operations in Bamenda. We have brought in new weapons. We have lost three soldiers in Bamenda during this period, and it is very tragic loss for us. We have lost 2 commanders in the Atlantic states, Bosdaf, and we have lost another 1 commander, which is a very, very big commander in I think it's a lieutenant colonel, or it's a brigadier general. I'll have to double check, and may his soul rest in peace in Donga and Mantung. It is nobody but one of our general there. I'll give his name, and we are going to pay tribute. Even the tribute of Bosdaf is still on hold. I'm not able to do it at this moment because we need to make certain contacts on the ground before we can honor him, so that we are not doing it just the structure, but the people and the forces and his children are also involved. So I will switch back for our normal talk. As you know, my first language na Pidgin English, na the language of the people, and it will be a very tragic thing if we go choose a language will not be the language of the people for use of our country. And also Pidgin language is still get a long way to go. We need to see standardize them, but we need to do debates in our parliament in Pidgin, in the language of the people. We need to standardize them. English will be the official language. Pidgin supposed to be one of the language. If BBC fit standardize them, we fit definitely do a better job in that. So this is a grassroots movement, and it must be a country in the hands of the grassroots. We don't want big manism. We don't want assimilated people, big PhD without no sense. We want quality people where they're going to do service for our population, and a system where going to work for our people, not the same replica of La Republique or Nigeria. So, ladies and gentlemen, we will start with a few updates. But before we get into our update, I think fair enough, La Republique, the comedy country, it always stop for give we enough material. So Ludan will never do our segment for comedy segment. So let us do our comedy segment before we go into our production for today. So our comedy section today, La République du Cameroon, a comedy country, a country where you no get no dignity, a country where it deteriorate, a country where you no get hospital, a country where you no get clean water. Now the kind Balok country this way it don't become a curse. It don't can put the hand for take over control of our country. A country that it disregard human life. When if you imagine, it be worse enough to be colonized by a white man, but talk about colonialism from a black people. The worst of the worst, the most corrupt people for the world. We don't see yesterday again for inside the capital for Yaoundé. It show how water it don't see fall for that their country. They don't even take care of their own drainage system. Now La République their capital this. A post central this for Yaoundé. When I see people they repay money now me then carry people for their back for inside Yaoundé. Hey! Jesus Christ, comedy country. When I feel the people that can reconstruct Ambazonia, when I feel the kind of people that feel love Ambazonia, so they can open school for we say the one time we were picking and go to school. When I see the behavior for the army, they for inside Ambazonia, and they keep people them without fear, blood and no nothing for them. Now because they don't get no dignity, they don't get a functioning system, they don't get no morals, now moral decadent. They record and say a virus. Amongst the France-Afrique countries, La République du Cameroon, now the worst of the worst. There is no chance for our people to be compatible to live with La République. There is just no chance of we live with these people. Now a comedy country. La République du Cameroon na a comedy country. Indeed. We also see plenty comedy news and for La République. Na say time no dey for begin waste time. They go from one end to another. But definitely we will start our program for today with our update. So let us start our show. So ladies and gentlemen, we will start our show by giving you a small update for inside our territory, for the Southern Cameroon territory, and then we will go for do our main presentation after this. So we'll try to make sure our show will be more orderly so that we will get what we will talk. So for today, for our update, we'll see say for inside TICO, the CDC them, we will change that CDC into ADC, Amazonian Development Corporation. They work at them for inside TICO, who will run the tell and say it is useless, futile for work under La Republique, where they pay una nanjanga money, they carry those products and go sell them for millions, make all the money, go out and for you, they corrupt themselves, buy bullet for can kill una pikin and they born una village. We see say for inside TICO, sorry I never put up the video, but I get I'll just put na the pictures. For inside TICO, we run see people that they protest because they never pay them for inside CDC. I be don't talk say better say me people then go begin work farm. Me they begin manage farm work than for go work for CDC where they need to pay them anything. So now protest this for inside CDC. Now it is inside TICO, farmer they protest. Say for over 13 months. They run the work. Hey, Commander, are they online live? Oh? So, for over 13 months, they ran the work, they suffer, they never pay them. Now then this they cry. Now our mommy, now our papa, then that. If they decide to transform their work, for go begin work for farm, go sell that shop for market, manage small money for help their picking them. Excuse me. Hello? I go pause this thing, I'll listen with you the general one talk 1 minute, I beg. Ma mute ma. So now sorry for that interruption. Now our people then this, now our mommy then this, now our papa then this, now our sister then this for inside TICO. They still work a work farm for they expect La Republique go pay them. La Republique they will be a slave for their hand. Una feel work dikam len grombi. They no go pay una and there is nothing una no fit do. Una no fit go for court, una no fit get no redress from them. The only solution na for buy AK-47, fight for our freedom, get back our country, and then we'll be free. We don't see, even inside our town, when I see not just timely, so we decide for begin put ammunition for inside Boya. For inside Fako for Boya. We don't see how they don't can key mechanic. Mechanic where all man in no for Boya. Some small boys so they can move for inside motor, then catch our hand. They kelebe them. Execute them. Key for daylight. Now the video this way, when I want ask and say, who say about Ballad and they way now they be supposed to begin to show these things, and if they be na people where they get with for their heart. Now they be supposed to show these things for international community. Now when na Equinox, now they try to highlight the atrocity for La Republique du Cameroon inside our territory. Now small mechanic this for inside Boya, where La Republique the rank. Now the boy that.
Lamentations and consternation best describe the atmosphere in Sampit, Boya this Monday, October 11, 2020, as the population grappled with the untimely death of 24-year-old Nebota Osita Jonathan, aka White.
Yesterday Sunday at about 8 p.m. we hear serious and heavy gunshot. So how we hear the gunshot with their dark blue over here. But
8 o'clock. I see this boy with the killing. He take motor, they drive, they run with speed. He park for corner road. Then police motor, he can't park. Then the boy come out. I say they run. Police they come out inside motor. They follow you. They catch you for inside bush. Then
the boy they run. They don't follow the boy for long time motor for nothing. He can't park motor. Then follow you for bush and catch him on hand. Execute them because we've been a cats and dogs and rats for La Republique du Cameroon, their military. Young boy like that, mechanic, where all man know for quarter. All man know it. Una see, me then talk and make una hear.
Mortal remains was ferried to the Boya Regional Hospital mortuary, where it will spend the last remaining days before the scene this Monday to ascertain the veracity of the information, but also to pay last respect to the man many described as the people's choice.
Yes, in Maui, even most people they know you work so you get 2 boxes of a bag in moto. Anytime we call you, even at 1 a.m. for night, what the joke and Sophia.
Then a mechanic where all man know am for day. Even the military people then they know this boy saying a mechanic where he work hard. When I see small motor for man for garage small money, do his small business like this boy, this poor mechanic. He work I do he work if motor go broke for road now they can't come out and help him for a country where no get no service, no get ambulance. Now this boy the way the population they rely on. When I hear her even the journalists call and say the people's choice. La République du Cameroon, the cancer, their terrorist forces, they don't hold a Pekin, then kill them. He don't join for the hundreds and thousands of our youths them way they don't die inside this hand of these monsters. Where Mr. Pobia dan send them for our country for begin target and kill our innocent people them, for destroy our community them, so that we will go back for the Stone Age. Now the thing in that way it happened for inside La Republic. Today I go inside in depth. Hello now.
Yes, Capo. Find out you online. We don't forget about Way Village. Metro.
For Way, we don't open new brigade for inside Menchum now. You call me back later, we'll talk.
Okay.
We never forget any place where una the see say it get action way we fit take am and una need say more governize people, may we bring training and may we arm the people them for the civilian for the village. May una contact me directly. I go help una connect una with our supreme commander for Ground Zero. Me they organize the youth them for defend ourselves and for take control of our land. I think we fit do am be capable. If no be say we struggle and be in a one way, La Republic they don't do everything for make us be in disarray. But we don't bring back order. We don't know who them be who for this our struggle. We need to implement our roadmap with Dr. Cho Ayaba, Benedict Kwa, the Rangian for we for implement them. It be workable, it will work, and we will defeat La Republic to Cameroon 100% hands down. So before I want to take una, we go for inside Bamenda for do the things them, for give the presentation what I want here for una. Where the main primary presentation today, now the big speech with General Efang Irangiam and the big order way Benedict Kwa the Rangiam. I go first take una for go una for Bamenda. The La Republic they need the Kiwi by themselves. We get people the way them be wanted, where they help La Republic. Black leg as they talk for Ground Zero. One black leg, he passed 10 armor car. We must prioritize the neutralizing of the threat posed by black legs at all costs. We must clean our land from all black legs before we even focus for La Republic du Cameroon. Because they are very dangerous. Your own person, where na in no place where you stay, na the pawn you me they can't kill him. It be far more dangerous than La Republic du Cameroon. And we need to know that one, our people they need to know, so we need to prioritize them. So now go imagine, as our people they suffer for inside Ground Zero. La Republic du Cameroon, na a so-called Anglophile. I call this one the Anglophile because they not be deserving for be an Amazonian because of their participation and collaboration with the killing machine of Yaoundé. The general, where La Republic then appoint them, when I yesterday all our own people they use them to kill our people. Now a wanted man. Now man way come out for inside. In them ma bring a dossier for here. Without receiving dossier, we need to put them for una make una know. Now one of the most dangerous man that who said that man if I dinner. If I know that I go just report them for una as it did for my head. If I make mistake, when I know that I don't lost if I away there for my hand. So this is the general for La Republic du Cameroon, na General Divine Nonko. General Divine Echo we say Nonko. Na man we come off for Fondu, I need for bringing money file eh. Now go give me excuse my looky file. When I see that work over plenty, when I need to ask Benedict come in and give me assistance. So this is the #1 most wanted person by the ADF forces in Ground Zero. It on top our list of the most wanted person. He is the criminal in charge of executing the plan of Mr. Pobia, killing our people, burning our villages. He was made a brigadier general. He's a gendarme. He was made a brigadier general. He studied in University of Yaoundé. I'm very sorry I don't have his file in front of me now, but we need to understand who this man be. He studied in the University of Yaoundé. He went to abroad to study in Italy. And La République du Cameroon, because he's an Ambazonian, they made him a general so that they can use him to kill our people. Now he be the person behind General Nka. Now why don't I say La République get two generals the way they work together for kill our people them. General Valery Nka, where they working of a country, so another one saying a criminal and a war crime, but he do for a country. But this one they do it only against the country. They always say divine knockout. Now the general that if we not get any information about ye, we need to target the family or anything with the target na ye. If we not get information about this general, in always say divine. If we not feel neutralize ye, we not contact we. Any man, if we not no place where they stay, place where they sleep with a shower, if we not be na a shower, we not be na a family member or a countryman, we not get enemy with ye. We not contact we, na a priority, na it be the great strategies for help La République, for show you all of our secret them, for tell them how for press our own phone them, me them work with La République for kill our own people. We need for prioritize, for bring it down, for save the life of our people. If General Nka for La République, the king want kill our people them, they go do them without the help of our people. So General Divine, now Brigadier General for La République, they make it Brigadier General only for April, because they want to use it for Ambazonia. Now he lead the forces into come. Now he lead the forces for find General Efang for inside Batibo. Now he lead the forces then for inside Pinyin. Now he and General Valery Nka they work out hand in hand. Now they the whole meeting according to our own Ambazonian people the way they inside of the military. Now then they be the master planner for kill our people them. When they want catch people, then now he talks to me then kill him. Now he talks to me then kill him. He get blood for his hand. Now a black leg, now a traitor. When I need for make sure someone will handle them as soon as possible. Any information about him, when I deliver them for us, we will follow up with them very, very strongly. Before I want come for defense palava them, I go want take una for inside Pinyin village, because we be done get report from the local people them for Pinyin. If una be remember, we can tell una say Atanganji Paul, he done bring some chief from abroad, where they can install it for Buchi, the fund of Buchi. Now the young man that way come up for diaspora. According to the information we get them at that time, they be talk say it be been a manipulation for Atanganji Paul, because the one man can go take that position, they will take money for their so-called House of Chiefs. So we will work together with the local forces them, our sister forces them for inside Pinyin, with our forces them for they be launch an operation for catch the chief way na here and stand for that chief na chief Mulutekwi from Pinyin will be arrested. They be arrested. They be handing over for our forces. We don't keep it for our custody for more than 1 month, and we don't just release it today. And I want to give you the full report of which will happen with this our chief. Why will we agree me the arrestee? Why will we keep it? And the investigation we will do them, and how we will then decide for release the fund. This one they go show Ambazonia and say we no dey for them for kill our own people. We no go allow ourselves to be used. We do our right job according to justice, because now the things that will be a noble people there. The people them for inside Pinyin, it shows say they be accuse this chief. Say the chief they deal in human parts. The chief they work with Atanganji Paul. Hey, the chief then go up, come down. He want go bring another fund for can install it for Bali, for Batibo. They be even provide we picture them for this fund where they and Frundi them. Now picture this with Frundi, with Lele Afrique, with the SDO. It be provoke man. You official so you feel very angry. We no be even know say na old picture that way, na old picture way be then a picture them since for 2014. So according to the information, that would then take this chief into our custody. Would I investigate them? We'll find and say this chief, they be install the chief normally as a chief, because if Papa be being a chief, now he be supposed to be chief. That way they install this chief, he win American lottery. Now why that way travel for abroad? That way don't go for abroad. Now way they gazette chief them, because they want give them money for become bribe them. He too run come say me they can gazette. He no be get anything for do am with Atanganji Paul, according to which way country people they talk am. So we don't find out say this chief be guilty. Some of the people that they work at talk say will be the ask the chief me the family pay we 6 million. We be done contact the family. I be done contact them for find out which way it happen. We be done contact all the quarter head them for inside pinning for know exactly which way it happen. We be find out say all be been alive. We'll never ever ask this chief or anybody $1. The Ambazonia Defense Forces will need to take ransom. Even the family for this fund, they be offer for pay money 2 million cash. Make we release the fund, we deny for take the money because the fund it be been an innocent person. Now this person where it want just live a life of village, do it things them. There was nothing. If some people they be feel say they don't come give we false information, we go key people their fund. No, we need to work at key people them for anyhow. General Efang be also go for the place where they be keep it, go check it for day. We don't release it for inside Bamenda. As I talk for now, it likely go down meet up a family. So me gonna understand. So we don't hold the fund for 1 month for investigate, and we don't see the fund now man way be clean. We don't decide for release it into Bamenda. He go define a way now. He no get the phone. We will give you phone later on, but he go define a way now for go meet up a family. So now the thing that we find them, the real thing according to our investigation, I say, son chinda dende for inside Buchi, where this fund them when chop the come, they no be the give them that chop. So time where they want install the phone, now the paramount chief from Pinyin it be sent later. Me they install the phone. Even without that later, the phone way in a phone for Mulutekwi, where now he install this phone. Now then 2 days for the enthronement. Now he install this phone. This phone it be doing a normal job because according to the tradition for the now this phone be supposed to do installation. This phone install it, but they no be gazetti. So now where the one go gazetti, the other people the way they be the chop money when the phone no be there, the way they come a country for set it up for talk say he work for La Republic, he work with Atanganji Paul. We don't discover and say all na lie. We no one be drawn into chieftaincy conflict. We therefore they never fight only against La Republic to Cameroon the army. We know they wait for Palava fund. If to say we want go after a fund, now because we see say it collaborate with La Republic for key we are picking them for burn villages and for use them for go take money. Now the only time that we feel intervene in such circumstances, we find it useless to arrest the pa. We don't release it. I don't tell the pa say this will be doing our job because the later they will be getting the complaint they will be getting we need for act, especially when La Republic they don't carry out some operation for instant pinning will be need for act. So we don't release the chief. Chief Mulutekwe is released and we hope say the chief, if to say some person talk for you, he go talk the truth and the truth it go be exactly how I don't tell now. Every time I be the call them, I be the talk me then give the chief white mimbo and me then give it call or not because say now our papa that all our chief then our papa them. All our chief now our papa them. But this era today will get very bad news for fund them for tell and say things that don't change. Our chief for defense, Benedict Kwai, don't give order, another order we will need for implementer. So, we also, before I want to go for give the main thing for Duam, I go want to talk about what it happen for inside Bamenda. We don't do a good research. Lieutenant General Popo, he don't come for inside Bamenda. We don't interview all the commander them for inside Bamenda for find out which way they go on. We don't get a report. We don't get new weapon the way they come for Bamenda, but before we want release those weapons, before we want resume our operation, we don't discover a lot of things for Bamenda. A lot of things where it be the empower spoilers, a lot of backroom deal with some rook soldier they be done do for Bamenda, and na he be the kiwi, na he be the make them no be the hot, na he be the make them all thing for inside Bamenda, it be go wayward. So according to our investigation, we will be carried out by Popo and over my supervision, we discover and say some one man way there for diaspora. He named na Claude. He use a fake Facebook page, say be ADF person. That is first Facebook page is start now ME. The man will know himself. I never talk for you personally, but our investigation no be even need we more talk for you. So La Republique du Cameroon, they be no say one of the things we would break their back there na Brasserie du Cameroon. And our economic interest where they use them for kill our people. Una know say without economic interest, La Republique du Cameroon they know for day inside Ambazonia. They know they for day because they like we. So this war it get economic inside. That will be hit them very hard. The way where they use them for broke with for Bamenda. So you get some spoilers that they get information about our fighters. They use na the boy way for America name na Clute. Now correct name that it use na fake name. We don't get all communication with our soldiers for ground zero. I would want to tell say some soldiers they be don't take money. La République du Cameroon they use na Gerard Ngala, Gerard when Nkambe, dan Kambe man, black leg. Na he be advised La République for them have for crack Bamenda. And they use na brasseries. They appoint a brasseries manager for Bamenda now. I no go give a name, I no go put a picture because I know say them using a use and would spare ye now only for spare ye. Next time we no go spare them. And I the one send a warning. Say all the deal the way they don't make them for Bamenda with brasseries. From the supplier, the distributors, all those deals are null and void today. I go give all man till the end of this month for consume every brasseries member we did for their keeping. From next month, any shop or any off-license where you go sell brasseries member will go burn them. Any total station, petrol station where you sell brasseries member will go burn them for inside Bamenda. The deal has come to an end. Now brasseries where they use them kiwi for day, they appoint a Kambe boy like manager for brasseries. Now them use some small bribery and corruption for try for corrupt soldiers for Bamenda. Me they start begin. Like people have been noticed some in the beginning for Bamenda where the Bamenda brigade be start. They be the bonbon brasseries motor that they show them for video. But they be don't succeed for bribe soldiers. They say me they left brasseries. They be feel say they will give them. They fit take money buy gun day because we'll be the slow. But me they understand say will the slow but will be effective. And man where you take money for you get some influence for you if you come back and kill you. So now brasseries where they use them. When I feel imagine say Monday for abroad this guy named na Clute pretend say be ADF person successfully La République successfully use it. Gather our forces then sute then get some few of them where they feel agree with them for begin allow brasseries me then they sell. Then get now a whole network of people the way they get off license the way they run group together. They work with some few rook soldier them. So that means they sell brasseries. They even ban the soldier them and the soldier they protect some soldier them. They no go for specific part them for inside Bamenda. Now say they take and make a million king queen. And I say they be the key the other part them. After that money it then enter their hand. This soldier they start begin to cut off themselves with the structure. They start begin use them. Now they don't begin kiki our soldier them. They no be see the follow command structure very very well. Our investigation it now expose everything. And I don't want to talk for all the people them. For Bamenda. We una the say brasseries, say una no say una be black. Any man wey the say brasseries, mo una no say una go be a suspect of black leg. From next month, we give time of grace. From next month, any man wey the say brasseries memo for Bamenda, any off license, we go consider them say you been a part of the conspiracy, and we go arrest you. We go burn down your store, unless we understand say you no get no hand for the bed. We go all man wey go the say brasseries memo, we go consider them as spies. We go now the first instinct that we will consider them like spies, arrest them, interview them before we clear them whether they be spy or not. You know mean I say they go take action for you where they never judge you or they never investigate them, but we will consider all man like a spy because we already see the network. La République they already use brasseries for destroy ADF for inside Bamenda and for get information from our soldier them because they better use them for bribe some few rogue soldiers. So I don't want to call out some particular bar them. Two bar them. For tell them say the thing has spoil. The thing has spoil. If this particular bar they no stop for sell brasseries mimo because we don't see their information for place we don't do investigation, they no go get no peace even when they go back for their house. Brasseries they guide their shops. La République they guide their shops. They escort some motor that will deliver them. We want to talk on the shop, the bar way they for instance opposite city chemist roundabout. They call on a 911. Say make it stop for sell all brasseries moto mimbo them immediately. If it continue for sell brasseries mimbo, it go be considered a collaborator with La République du Cameroon. Yesterday, I sent one of our intelligence officers. They made them go for the shop. Me them go see the man. Then deliver a letter from my office for inform them about this. They don't put CCTV camera there for this, so na ready place for La Republic for work. Then be prepared for we. We'll get other means so we'll get them. Another shop where they for some bar, I don't forget the name. I don't really make mistake today. All my paper then just scatter all around. Some bar where they opposite PMC for Bamenda Day. So for you corner PMC. Where they sell Brazzers me for day now they way Kelebe they can't drink. You need to stop. Otherwise, you have no safety out of your shop. Stop them. All petrol station, all, in particularly Total, irrespective of the economic cost, we go cost and for we, if we burn down a petrol station, we shall burn it down. We shall burn down any petrol station where it sell Brasseries Mimbo for Bamenda. I send a message for all contractors where they get trucks the way they transport Brasseries. Any contractor, most of them are Bameleke and Tong 2 people them. Any contractor where use moto for carry Brasseries Mimbo bring her for Bamenda, that motor will be born. If we don't get any contract with any rook soldier, we don't transfer all those commander them, we will reshuffle Bamenda, new weapon they camp inside Bamenda, and all that una arrangement una get with our soldier them, we no go respect them. Might take some small time for show una goods the way that arrive for inside Bamenda for our Bamenda brigade. All commander they go rotate for inside Bamenda na the Bamenda na bullet na new arrival then this inside Bamenda. So Bamenda de Atalat, the one na Nyang, all this one they don't enter for inside Bamenda na new arrival on top of the one that will get for inside Bamenda. All thing that be ready, the thing will be the tie na this issue concerning the Brasseries would already do the investigation, everything is done finish. So these are the new weapon we don't get for inside Bamenda brigade. It is inside town, will be ready for go. Would they expect say maybe by next week we'll go down get the complete rotation for our forces. But we'll still get a crucial part, if not only for me, we'll still left Bamenda so long as Ghost Town it go on very well. Because we need some particular explosive them who already want some user. I really prefer those explosive. The money, I think my colleague, our PS, Lucas Asu, he be in charge for raise the funds for we forget those explosives them. We need them very, very badly. We need those explosives for me. I've seen the plan that our general they don't come up with for Bamenda and everything, but I just feel say we need those particular components because those were the priorities before the so-called lockdown where they can reset Bamenda. We need those weapons. Them I beg me gonna donate. Did you guys watch the PS Lucas Asu yesterday? Did you watch the show? Man, that guy nailed it. He nailed it. He was just on point and everything he said was true. Everything was just so on point and nobody could articulate better than him. And my brother also Tapang Ivan Tanku, which we have very, very strong disagreement, but you know our friendship is an inspiration. We hope our friendship can be like that of like Benedict, like Ayabacho and Akwanga, but we hope not. It doesn't end like that. But we hope it will be an inspiration for the countries that we can have disagreement, but we still love each other. We still hold each other very, very strongly. And because of I take a second look for General Ayeke and many other people the way that commit war crime. I get a zero policy for tolerate any crime against our people. If our people they feel carry gun against La Republique, make we soldier they know say them to be capable for carry gun against them. And Ayeke and anybody who don't commit war crimes cannot be accepted into the ADF on my watch. I better resign. I resisted the sword of Ambazonia and look at the end. So if Ayeke wants to be redeemed, he needs to publicly denounce the burning of Bangi, or how do they call the village? He has to apologize. He has to be reformed, just like we did with Mad Dog. If he transform himself, accept to abide publicly. He must accept publicly to abide by our code of conduct before we can work with him. I'm not saying that we want to work with him. I don't even want that to happen. And I want I talk for the people then for inside Tally. For inside Tally for they for instance, le BLM, say the problem they then get our areke, force them, so they then go disarm a soldier, then bro gun them, it be very bad. We need to I not agree. Anybody me civilian ever disarm army? Me civilian never disarm an army. I would never support that. Nevertheless, even it is justified, we na call we mu handle them. Me defense handle them. The last time they catch some people, some IAK forces the day, now we send other people that they can't release them for day. So civilian them, if we not get problem with any force, we know we are force, we na contact, we will try our best for help in the most peaceful way possible. We are the good guys, remember. So now wait till that way it happen for Bamenda. I go want appeal for our people then for instance Meme and Dian. Say ADF recruitment it go on. Una organize on ourselves, una join we. General Dako will need to bring up people that they call for. They would get the first call away, then call it. The talk say we will expand for instance Menchum. But General Talk and do already did they will be done try for close down the school then for they would then drive away the so-called imposed colonial parliamentarian. Either run we say they Canada now. So they do good in Menchum. Menchum they take order. We do more and more for Menchum. Menchum then be armed. Menchum they be if they don't finish their training, will get a very good call for they will go to expand. So me the people then for way and also way then get a lot of challenges because of the Mbororo people the way they come from Sabga, from Boom or other area that attack them and it be unreported. We will try to highlight them as much as possible. They say they work plenty, na body no be machine. So I will take on now to our main presentation for today. We na the big speech way our general, our supreme commander, General Efang, idan deliver them for the Ambazonian people and the international community for tell na exactly which way mean because it get big ramification. But before I do that, maybe we'll go through this video, na old video from Powerful Ngala for give a shout out to all of our leader them. Say the dream it be alive.
Tell us, oh, tell us, our nation. Tell us our nation, if you don't know Southern Cameroon. Tell us our nation, oh, tell us our nation.
To avoid them, we will gather on ourselves, form on a good them, we will build up, we help.
Tell us, oh, tell us. Please, we want to pass this message to the European Union. We are calling on the European Union to step in the conflict between the British Southern Cameroon and La République du Cameroun. La République du Cameroun has annexed and occupied Southern Cameroon. This is in violation of the international law and the commitment to the promotion of democracy, peace, justice, and freedom for all human beings. Our appeal to the European Union is simple and it is supported by international law. We are calling on the European Union to step in and mediate. We are committed to non-violence, but we are saying that if they don't support the commitment of the Southern Cameroonian people to non-violence, then they are indirectly contributing to the to violence and bloodshed.
Yes, so now the thing in that way Powerful Ngala for the be good talking for UN, for European Union, if the international community they don't intervene for the annexation and recolonization of our territory, it will end up into a violent conflict. And today that prophecy it don't come true. So we'll for place all day. I will take una now directly. Where master? Hello, comrade. Our show they go on live. You did live on our show. We will talk later, no pa.
Okay.
So we will take una directly for the big speech where our general, our supreme commander for Ground Zero, General Efang, and deliver them. It be very important because these things have life and death consequences on our people. So they need to understand the very content for this very speech where our general Idan Senam for the international community and our people. It be a little bit noisy, but we'll not try to hear.
And by the grace of God, we are come from our front today. For the time when the Germans conquer our villages, greater all German Cameroon. as backed by international law. All like the offices inside Ambazonia, it be closed.
So wait General Efang the talk na say all la Republic du Cameroon their offices inside Ambazonia. I no play all the audio the video because say it be the volume be very low. But General the talk say for the time for the Germans till now we don't go for the British give our history and then talk say time we Foncha they be go join La Republic, even though you know we been at the thing where we want them, La Republic nobody ever accept them and they become recolonize we and recolonize we. They can close all our offices for our country, carry all our bank then go them, and La Republic become put their office them. We no the worry. Now we don't see they take transfer things them for Yaoundé, both Sonera Education Board. So generally be the talk say all La Republic du Cameroon their office inside Ambazonia it be closed, including the schools.
But our people need to know the time for the big offices inside Ambazonia, they don't be closed. And they won't be rejected even in elections. Our people.
So General Efang it articulate our history and our policy position, but the audio will be very low. I think say the same thing it be said by our chief Benedict Kwa for this later way than send around hang for day. This later na an order for all our chief for inside Ambazonia. It be very, very consequential because it will be implemented in ground zero. This order na then be signed, it then be given as an order for ground zero. Make all man be very mindful of this order because when the implementation will start, it not go be a laughing matter. The Ambazonia Defense Forces, it then call on all our chief and funds for respect the will of the people, for deny La Republique du Cameroon political participation. This order, it talks say, any fund or chief where La Republique du Cameroon enlist you, me you can sit down for that their house of chiefs. If you go for that house of chiefs, for go legitimize the recolonization of our territory, you will commit treason. And when you come back from Ambazonia, you will be arrested, you shall be prosecuted, and you shall be executed. You don't hear me very well. You shall be executed. Any chief where he go for that house of fun, where La Republique that make am, since we be done deny say me we no get no mayor, no senator, no parliamentarian, we win them, we delegitimize all their so-called senators and parliamentarians. Now they want to try to seek legitimacy in a way where it will be difficult for our people that will protect their integrity by transforming the chiefs into now a sort of a parliament system where they no go need to get direct voting for our people. Would the talk say any fund where it go allow itself to be used for undermining the sovereignty of our people, for help an alien government, for impose itself against the wish of our people in our own land, that fund will be guilty by participating in that parliament, by misrepresenting his people, of treason, and therefore should be banned from Ambazonia. And if they step their foot in Ambazonia, they will not only be arrested, they will be prosecuted. If your pa, if you not give phone, you not give number, you not send them that news, we know what me they can sample them now. Person will not sabi them. But sampling indeed, it shall be. When I be done yesterday, they don't cut people their head and put them for stick. When I go no say Ambazonia then too blood there for the eye. This is a do or die matter. We no go joke with them. There will be no joke for treason. There will be no joke for treason. We don't give the warning. It don't be signed and delivered. It don't be communicated. It shall be effective. God bless you now.